All right, here's a tip for you today. Many of you vendors are probably familiar with, these sandbags used to weight down your tents. And as we all know, you can easily get holes in them. Get all over your car. And you're looking at replacing them. It's like 30 bucks for a set of these or something. But if you ever need a quick emergency repair, I discovered these. These are fabric repair patches. Get them in a camping section at your local store. And, for patching up coats and stuff. But I discovered they work pretty good for this. Get 4 in here. So they're about $1 a piece. Get some black ones, some clear ones. So we got a double hole right there. You just peel off. Cover up the hole. You got a good seal for a while there. Not leaking. So we can refill this bag up now. So we got a cicada in there. It was dead. It's still dead. And you can see that holds. Great for an emergency on-the-spot repair. Get a little bit more life out of your sandbags.